Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. This is your general reading for the month of August 2021. Aquarius, please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the collective general reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, so now let's see what are the beautiful messages, okay, which are coming for you in the month of August. What are the energies? And before starting your reading, I was doing the meditation and pre-shuffling of the cards, and the message which I was getting here, that which I get is there is a breakthrough which is coming for you here. Okay, you are going through a great time of transformation, DNA activation, chakra opening and activation, and all your frequency vibrations are activating here, I know. Okay, so there is a breakthrough which is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, and you need to surrender to the divine here. Maybe you can see lot of rainbows these days. That can be a possibility, that you can see lot of rainbows. Okay, rainbows or infinite sign. Okay, but there is, or butterflies. Okay, but which is very important message is, which I am getting here, that there is lot of abundance which is coming for you here. Okay, lot of abundance is coming for you in the month of August, and there is forgiveness and acceptance which is here. Okay, you need to forgive and acceptance. Forgiveness and acceptance is required here in your case here. Okay, you need to forgive yourself and forgive everyone who has hurt you in the past. That is very much required for you here, Aquarius. Okay, and maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 1111. That can be a possibility. Okay, you need to keep your faith, and there is definitely lot of abundance which is coming for you. I'm having abundance message from almost every deck when I pre-shuffle the decks and all. Okay, abundance, prosperity. Okay, I hope it is visible. Okay, can you see there is prosperity, there is abundance which is coming for you here. And what I can see next is that there is sun which is coming for you. This is the new happy beginnings which are coming for you. New happy beginning in career, new happy beginning in job, business, personal life, love life. Okay, in your family, in your relationship, everywhere. So it can be everywhere, you can apply according to your situation, but new happy beginnings are coming for you. And one more thing, can you see there is 28 number which is here, and there is 28 number here on that too. Okay, so you can be see lot of number synchronicities of 10 these days. Okay, that can be a possibility, that you can see lot of number synchronicities of 10. Okay, or 88 or 808. Okay, so that can be a possibility. Now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. These were the messages which I received while doing the meditation. So I I always tell do messages whenever I receive messages while doing meditation, I give you that. Okay, first doing your reading. So now let's start the reading and let's see what are the beautiful messages for you, for my magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages which are important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Maybe you can see 11:55. 11:44. Okay, that 11:45 44 or 11:55 these days are lot here. Okay, wow. So there is a renewal which is coming for you. Okay, there is renewal again. 17 number 8, again there is 8. So maybe this is the renewal of a relationship, renewal of a job. That can be a possibility here. Okay, see, lot of money opportunities are coming for you, Aquarius, and there is dragon here. So this is the very good abundance card. Okay, you can manifest here, so good luck is on your side here. There is lot of celebrations which are coming for you here. 0444 is also an important number. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 444. Okay, let me see more messages for you. Any other message? Any other message for Aquarius? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for Aquarius. Any other message? Okay. So there are good times which are coming for you here. See, celebration, good times. Maybe you will travel somewhere, get together, family gatherings, celebrations, birthday celebration, okay, festival celebration, any kind of celebration you can do that. But lot of celebration and good times are coming for you. Maybe you will you will be able to make new memories of with your family, with your friends, with your love life here. And again the karma card is here, so this is the good karma which you are going to receive in the month of August. Okay, and I told you there is new beginnings which are coming for you, and here it is. Okay, there are definitely new beginnings which are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, in the month of August. And new beginnings can be anything, okay, in your love life, in your job, in your career. Okay, but what I can see here that there are new beginning in your love life. Okay, 616 is the recording reading time. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Scared Destiny. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages for Aquarius. See. Get ready for new horizons, far away places. Okay, get ready for new horizons. Some of you can be traveling somewhere. Okay, that can be a possibility. Ascending the mountain, keep going forward. Okay, you do not have to stop. Maybe you are changing places, job, that can be a possibility here. But do not worry, whatever you are doing it, whatever is happening in your life, you do not have to stop at all, Aquarius. Keep moving forward, keep going in a forward direction, because trust that this is the divine plan. You are exactly where you need to be. Okay, so you are ascending the mountain. Ascending the mountain means that you are overcoming the challenges, you are crossing that challenges, and you are crossing it with great courage and strength, because you're not stopping, you are moving in a forward direction. Now you have to get ready for new horizons. I told you, maybe you are getting new opportunities of job, career related. Okay, maybe you are going to travel somewhere here. Okay, that can be a possibility, but you need to get ready for new things which are coming for you. There are new beginnings which are coming here. Then there is joy, delight. Open your heart to joy. You need to open up so that you can receive the blessings, you can receive the joy which are coming for you here. Again there is sun here, can you see? So there is definitely new beautiful things which are coming for you, Aquarius. And there is hold the course, stay focused, do not stop, stay focused and move in a forward direction with your courage and strength. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. Now let's see, thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the message from Work Your Life oracle cards. See, I told you your guidance is divinely guided. Okay, I told you just this thing, that everything is happening according to the divine plan. Okay, your journey is divinely guided. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Please give me the important messages which I need to deliver for Aquarius, and which are important to deliver. Okay, any other message for Aquarius for the month of August? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. So many messages, no. Wow. So this is beautiful, Aquarius, because you need to say just yes. Say yes to the changes, yes to the new beginnings, yes to the beautiful abundance which is coming for you. So for that you need to say yes. okay, and you're getting aligned here. Can you see in this picture there is an alignment here which is coming here, and you are getting aligned from mind, body and soul. And when you get aligned from mind, body and soul, and you say yes, I'm aligned and I am having the same opinion from mind, body and soul, you move in a forward direction. And there is boundaries and there is protection. Call back your power, cut the cord, soul retrieval. Where do you need to establish healthy boundaries? So you need to set up healthy boundaries around yourself, Aquarius. You are not for everyone, okay? You are unique and you are not for everyone, okay? Your energy is unique, your energy is precious, so you need to cut the cords from those persons or from those things which does not serve your highest good here, and establish healthy boundaries around yourself, okay? Create healthy boundaries around yourself so that those energies don't affect your energy here, okay? And there is priestess. How are you being called to step up and lead? You are high priestess here, okay? Can you see bottom of the deck also? I'm having sisterhood of the rose, beauty and devotion, priestess, mystic and teacher. So you have to use your intuitions because your intuitions are guiding you very much clearly here. Use your intuitions and move in a forward direction, Aquarius, okay? Because you are the healer, you are the mystic teacher here. So this is beautiful. And let me make some space here. Okay, there is break the chain, ancestral pattern, healing and rewriting your future. 1122. Okay, you are breaking the chain, okay? You are rewriting your future. You are breaking and healing the ancestral patterns which was coming, which was there, okay? So you are rewriting your future, you are doing your healing, you are doing your ancestral pattern healing also. You are breaking that pattern and you are rewriting your future here, okay? You are breaking the chain basically. So that's beautiful, Aquarius. That's very beautiful. You are breaking the pattern here. 11:55 is the recording reading time. So that's beautiful. Thank you. Let's see what are the messages from the Star Seed Oracle for Aquarius. Please give me the messages for Aquarius, which is important to deliver here. What are the messages? Trust the timing, okay? Trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan, okay? So let's see. See, I told you, inner earth, you will survive this. There are new solutions and beginnings which are coming for you here, okay? There are definitely new beginnings which are coming for you. Can you see in this picture, this girl is moving in a forward direction. She is going to enter this beautiful new beginnings which are waiting for you, and she is coming out of from this caves, okay, from the darkness to the light, because you are working on yourself. There's new solutions, new beginnings which are coming for you here, okay? And you will survive this. There are definitely new beginnings which are coming for you here. And there is lost lands, soul memory and gifts. You have done this before, okay? So this is not the first time when you are doing it. Your soul has memories of it, and you have done this before also, okay? You have beautiful gifts. 1331 is the recording reading time, okay? It's just when we took birth on this planet earth, we there is a loss of memory, okay? Memory doesn't stay with us, but there are soul memories, okay? Our conscious is does not have that memory, but the subconscious has all the memories inside them, okay? So your soul has those memories, and you have done this before also. You have done this before also means that you have also rewrite your future before also. You have ascend your soul also. You have evolved before also. So you have done this before, okay? You have done this before. So this is very beautiful and powerful message here, that you have done this before also, Aquarius. You do not have to stop. You have beautiful gifts of intuitions, of many beautiful gifts you are having in your soul. Use that gifts here. There is the void, stop, embrace winter, great cosmic warp here, okay? I think it is visible here or not. I don't know. And there is forge. Don't follow, pave a new path. Be the leader you wish you had. Okay. You do not have to follow others. Okay. You are unique and you have to be a leader you wish to be. Okay. Make your own way. Make your own things. Follow your soul, Aquarius. Okay. Do what your intuition is trying to do. Okay. Trying to tell you, follow that thing. And there is karmic relationship, Orion energy, polarity, soul growth and conflicts. So some of you are dealing with the karmic relationships in your life, and these karmic relationships are the teacher of your soul. They're helping you to grow on a soul level for your soul evolution. Okay, whatever conflicts, whatever things you are going on, this is the Orion energy which is helping you out. This is the karmic relationships you are dealing with. 1 minute, now it is visible, I think. Okay, so these are helping you on, on a soul level, on growing on a soul level. So say thank you to your karmic relationships also, because these karmic relationships are your actually the teachers who teaches you. Okay, they teach you. So they are very important in the life basically. Okay, so say thank you always. There are changes which are coming for you, Aquarius. Definitely there are changes coming for you. You will get the new solutions and new beginning here. Okay, please give me one message for Aquarius. Please give me one message. What is the message? One message. Okay, I got two for you. Okay, let go of the past and move in a forward direction here, Aquarius. Okay, and there is number 44, the Christ. Open the door to the kingdom of the heaven. Can you see? This is very powerful message. The Christ, the divine is with you. Number 44. Maybe you can see a lot of number synchronicities of 44 these days. 144, 244, 344. Okay, that can be possibility here. Okay, this is very beautiful. They are with you, and there is magic. There is magic around you. So expect excitement and joy. Okay, so beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see one message from the colors. One message you want me to deliver for Aquarius. Please give me one message. A Burgun 11 number again. Okay, ground yourself. So you can use this color so that you can ground yourself, ground your energy. Okay, so there is lot of number synchronicities of 1111. Maybe you can see these days 1111 a lot, Aquarius. That can be a possibility here. Let me see what are the messages from the star seeds. Sorry if you hear the voice at the backgrounds. Again, I am going to say that my kids are playing. Okay, so some of you are the blue flames. Okay, the blue stars, and there is an activation of blue flame. Okay, so there is some kind of truth which is coming here. And what is that truth? That you need to see your light, know your power, and have courage to walk your truth. Follow your truth here. Okay, so this is beautiful message which is coming. You have to see your light, you have to see your worth, Aquarius. Okay, and there is Gaia. Connect to the pulse of Mother Earth. She will guide you through this time of change. Definitely, I told you there are changes which are coming for you here. Can you see? There are beautiful changes which are coming for you. You can connect to the Mother Earth, the Gaia, and she will help you out in these times of changing here. There is blue star. Follow the light of your inner compass, the blue star. It will lead you to the truth that resides within your soul. Okay, I told you some of you are the star seeds, some of you are the light workers, some of you are light seeds, light worker as well as the star seeds both. Okay, so some of you are the blue star here. Okay, so you need to follow your intuition and move in a forward direction here. There is release anything that keeps you from your path of authenticity. So release anything which don't serve your highest good. Okay, that's why there was the message that you have to cut back your power. Protection is required. Cut back your power codes from those things. Release anything which don't serve your highest good. Okay, and again the intuition is here. Trust your intuition. It has been guiding you to the answers that you seek. So you need to follow your intuitions here. Okay, so follow your intuitions. That's beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see more messages for you. Let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And I will be glad that I help you out in some manner. Okay, let's see one message from the super attractor, and I got it. As soon as I choose to see the light in the dark corners, I redirect my power towards what I want. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this and you can use this as affirmation, as a super attractor. Okay, this is very beautiful. As soon as I choose to see the light in the corners, in the dark corners, I redirect my power towards what I want. Okay, so this is the message which I am receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see one message from Wisdom for Healing cards. What is the message you want me to give for Aquarius? See God in all things. Okay, you need to see God in all things. What is the today's lesson is, put yourself in slow motion and observe everything and everyone through the lens of this is scared and it speaks to me. How does that change your environment? And your goal is to learn the spiritual practice of seeing good in all things. Okay, so that's the message. Thank you. Let's add one archangel message for you. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius, August 2021? Please, archangels, give me one message for Aquarius. Wow, see, I told you, Archangel Aurora is here. Welcome new beginnings. Let the sun shine in your life. Definitely there is sun which is coming for you, new beginnings which are coming for you, Aquarius, and this is the beautiful message here again. And there is Archangel Gabriel, shimmer with diamond light, express your creativity, work on your creativity, Aquarius. That's very important. You are full of creativity, so express your creativity here. Then there is Seraphim Seraphil, tune into the divine will, open to higher illumination, see the picture from a different perspective. Again, the rainbow colors are here, so maybe you can see a lot of rainbows these days. Okay, so these are very powerful and beautiful messages from the archangels. Thank you, archangels, for giving the messages. Let's see what is the message from Krishna consciousness to Aquarius for August 2021. Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Please give me the messages for Aquarius, which is important to deliver. What is the message you want me to deliver? What is the message here? And while shuffling, I was getting this message here. Okay, you need to believe, have firm faith in God and act. He will help you, and all your pains and difficulties will go. Act now. You need to surrender here. Can you see? Wow, abundance. Definitely a lot of abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, you need to surrender yourself and believe in the divine. Okay, that everything is happening according to the divine plan, and there is trust that there is divine plan. Okay, surrender yourself to the divine, and there is definitely abundance, lot of abundance which is coming for you in the month of August. Okay, maybe your July was, I can say, because I'm getting July. Okay, my intuition is saying July, so maybe this month your world has moved 360 degree. Okay, in every terms, in relationship, in your career, maybe in your work life, in your personal life, in your love life. But do not worry, whatever you are going through, this is the transformation which you are going through. Okay, and there is maybe change of place and help is on your way. Okay, the help is coming for you here, Aquarius. Maybe some of you are changing places here. Okay, and brings about whatever destruction has happened in your life, that after that you can sow the seeds for the future. Okay, you can always create. Okay, end is not the end exactly, end is the beginning of new things. That's why in tarot we know the death card is death and rebirth. Okay, something is ending so that you can start new things. Okay, then you will receive abundance. I told you, you will receive the abundance. You need to keep your belief and surrender yourself to the divine. The joy of friendship is the biggest gift. Nurture your friends and friendships. Okay, So this is the message which I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see what is the message from fortune cookies for Aquarius. Wow. Major life changes are coming for you, Aquarius. This is the time. Time is right for major life changes, as a new lifestyle or location brings great joy, a trouble-free existence. Definitely some of you are changing the places. Maybe here there is definitely major life changes which are coming for you here, and there is declutter your life. Let go of correspondence, objects and people you no longer want. Someone will hurt your feelings and reveal a new side of themselves that you may wish to avoid. So declutter, that's the karmic relationship which you are dealing here, okay, which you are dealing, and that's why there is boundaries. You need to set up healthy boundaries here, okay. That's the karmic relationship you are dealing with. So you need to let go anything which does not serve your highest good, okay. Set up healthy boundaries around yourself. That's the message here I'm receiving. Thank you for giving the message. Let me see what are the chakra messages for Aquarius. What are the chakra message? You can use these crystals also for these chakras, okay. Let's see what is the one message. I require one message for Aquarius. Throat chakra. Throat chakra is listening. If you want to hear, learn to listen, and you can use Larry Mar, throat chakra. So Aquarius, if you want that others should listen to you, so you have to listen themselves first. There is thought chakra here, okay. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the scared creators here, and then I'm going to close out your reading, okay. Let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything here. What are the messages? Please give me the messages for Aquarius which is important to deliver. Wow. Stop, drop and ground here, okay. And there is make a mission statement for your soul, and there is soul on fire. So definitely there is soul on fire, means there is a lot of passion here which your soul is craving for. There's new things which are coming for you. You need to work on your creativity, new things. So that was a reading for you, Aquarius. I hope it will help you out in some manner. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all of you, whoever is watching my video. Okay, if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get important messages which are important for you. Okay, so take care of yourself and see you soon.